Yeah, I'm Jack Hanrahan with the Numina Group. We are automation experts focused mainly in distribution operations, so pick, pack, and ship for distribution centers. We also work in manufacturing operations where material movement is required, and there's a lot of moving pieces and material that need to be moved. So as a system integrator, we need to have a partner that we can count on to hit delivery dates, as well as have a solution that's innovative. We don't want to ever recommend a solution that would paint our customer into a corner. And so with our partnership with RateLinx, they have a very intelligent mindset of looking at where the future trends are going to be going, and they've got a suite rich software platform, and they're looking at how they can keep bringing value to their customers' operations, lowering their costs and making their operations easier. So we need to have a reliable partner that has that mindset, and we found that with RateLinx. The Numina Group focuses on order release, pick, pack, ship solutions. Partnering in with RateLinx and their load builder module, we can look at all open orders and see if a shipment with 6 cartons would be potentially cheaper to go parcel or on LTL, so that a operator can then release it as an LTL order, as a parcel order. So that's our cartonization software, looking at all open parts and a mix of pick and pack and full case for a shipment. So this allows a customer to optimize the picking process based on the most, cost-effective method. Yeah, so the partnership we built with RateLinx has been fantastic. The sales team is extremely knowledgeable, and they're very much customer-oriented. They hit the dates that we have agreed upon with the customer, which is very, very important in our industry. So many of our customers are looking to have projects implemented prior to their busy Q4 season. RateLinx's ability to hit those dates allows us to get a system up and running and a customer fully utilizing it in time for their busy season. Yeah, I think that so many people in the industry focus on parcel shipments with one carrier because they think they've got the best rate with that carrier, and they don't understand all the money they're really leaving on the table by using an intelligent rate shopping solution like RateLinx is. So yes, the ShipLinx TMS solution does a fantastic job of looking across all of the best carriers, giving the best rate, and so much of that requirement is we can do an inline scan weigh dimension, go to RateLinx and get that shipping label back to us in 2 seconds, so we can automatically apply that to a customer's carton and then ship it to the proper door to be taken out and shipped.